Are you also a real estate agent who receive a lot of leads through housing.com? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to add housing.com leads to Zoho CRM automatically. So as a real estate agent, I receive a lot of leads through housing.com. And here my objective is whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically and instantly that lead should be created as a new contact in my Zoho CRM account. So now here to automate the entire process, I will connect my housing.com with my Zoho CRM using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you all know that in this video we are going to understand how you can add your housing.com leads automatically as a new contact in your Zoho CRM account. So now here to build this automation, I will connect my housing.com with my Zoho CRM account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, but here before moving forward, let me tell you all about Pabbly Community. So this is the Pabbly Community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly Connect dashboard. And here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button given on the top right corner. And then he's asking me to select the workflow builder. So you can see two options. One is New Beta and the other one is Classic. So Beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas Classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this Beta version by clicking on the Select button and then a Create Workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says Add housing.com leads to Zoho CRM automatically. And then he's asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select it as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here. And it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard. And here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this Create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow. And here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So we're going to click on this Add Trigger button, and here as you all know that I'm receiving new leads through housing.com. So I'm going to select my trigger as housing.com and my app event as new leads. Then we're going to click on this connect. And here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means that I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my housing.com with Pabbly Connect. So it says to automate lead capture, copy the above webhook URL and configure it in your account. Reach out to your account manager from housing.com. Your integration will be activated by the team within a week's time, and once they activate, the subscription leads will start coming to the campaign selected by you. So here it means that you need to copy this webhook URL and you need to send this webhook URL to your backend team of your housing.com, and then they are going to add your webhook URL in your account, and then automatically when you're going to receive a new lead in your housing.com account, then automatically that lead will be captured over here as well. For now, I'm going to copy this webhook URL and I'm going to send it to my backend team so that I can receive receive a test lead response over here. So let's wait for some seconds. And here you can see we have successfully received response where we have received the last name, first name, email address and the contact number of our lead. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our housing.com, then automatically and instantly I want to add that lead as a new contact in my Zoho CRM account. So for that we are going to add an action step over here, and here we are going to select our application as Zoho CRM and our app event as create contact. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Zoho CRM account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Zoho CRM. And here to connect the application, it says enter the domain your Zoho account belongs to. So here to get the domain, let me take you to my Zoho CRM account. And here in the URL, you can see my domain is zoho.com. So I'm going to enter this domain over here. Then we're going to click on the save. And you can see it is requesting for the access. So I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Zoho CRM account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your account in the same browser. Or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for your account credentials first. And once you're going to add the credentials, then automatically your account will get connected inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move forward. Here it is asking for the lead source. So I'm going to select advertisement from the drop down, and then here it is asking for the first name, last name, email and some other details. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new lead through our housing.com, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the first name, I'm going to map my lead's first name. Here I'm going to map the last name. Here I'm going to map the email address. And here these fields are not required fields. I'm going to leave them blank. Here for the phone number, I'm going to map the lead's phone number. Same goes with the mobile number as well because we have received a single number. And then here these fields are not required fields. I'm going to leave all of them blank. And now you have to entering all the required details. I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our Zoho CRM account. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name dummy lead. Here you can see the email address and the mobile number. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected our trigger as housing.com and our action as Zoho CRM. So that when you're going to receive a new lead through our housing.com, then automatically and instantly that lead will be added as the new contact in our Zoho CRM account. Alright, these were the steps to how to add housing.com leads to Zoho CRM automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.